Welcome to Surfside Condos 204, your ultimate beachfront getaway nestled in the heart of Clearwater Beach. This luxurious 1,580 square feet condominium boasts an enviable beachfront location, providing awe-inspiring vistas of the sandy beaches and the shimmering Gulf of Mexico. With 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and sleeping arrangements for up to 10 guests, this condo is an excellent choice for large families or groups seeking a memorable vacation in Clearwater Beach. As you step into Surfside Condos 204, you'll be captivated by the tasteful decor, upscale finishes, and panoramic beach views. The interior design features faux wood tile flooring in the kitchen and dining areas, while the living room and bedrooms offer plush carpeting for added comfort. The kitchen comes fully equipped with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, including a refrigerator, microwave, coffee maker, dishwasher, and toaster. Coupled with provided dishes and utensils, you have everything you need to create and enjoy meals at your leisure. The dining area offers seating for 6, complemented by an additional 4 bar stools at the kitchen counter. The cozy living room is furnished with a full sofa, recliner, and 2 chairs, comfortably seating 6 guests. Enjoy watching your favorite shows on the flat-screen TV or step onto the balcony from the living room to soak in the breathtaking views of Clearwater Beach. Each of the 3 bedrooms is designed for restful sleep. The master bedroom, equipped with a king-size bed and a private ensuite bathroom with 2 separate vanities and a shower, also offers a private balcony to enjoy the stunning Gulf views. The second and third bedrooms are furnished with 2 queen-size beds and 2 full-size beds, respectively. Flat-screen TVs are provided in all rooms for your entertainment. For added convenience and comfort, Surfside Condos 204 provides a range of amenities, including a heated pool, a grill area with a gas grill, complimentary Wi-Fi, an iron and ironing board, central air conditioning and heating, linens, towels, parking, and a hair dryer. An in-unit washer and dryer are also available for your laundry needs. Surfside Condos 204 requires a minimum of 1 week stay, ensuring guests have ample time to unwind and immerse themselves in the beauty and excitement of Clearwater Beach. Get ready to create unforgettable memories in this beachfront paradise, where luxury meets the serenity of beachfront living. Your home away from home in Clearwater Beach awaits.